Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the exe not a valid Win32 application error in Windows 10, 11, 8, 7 and whatnot. So let's get straight into fixing it. So the only thing you have to do is run a very good scan built into Windows, which will find and fix corrupted files. So yeah, so you're going to go into your search bar, type in cmd, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you're going to type in a code which is sfc space /scan now, and just click enter. Okay, and it will start a system scan. Okay, the scan will take a while, depends on how much files you have and how fast or slow is your hard drive. So if you have a SSD, it shouldn't take that much time. Okay, so just click on enter, begin the scan, and it should work flawlessly. So that's all for this video guys. If you have any other problems, any other issues, please put them in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching folks.